Okay, this is question 10 from the WJC Additional Maths course in 2016. So this is a remainder and factor theorem question. So find the remainder when this polynomial is being divided by x minus 4. Okay, that means we're going to find f of 4. So I'm going to substitute that in, 4 cubed plus 6 lots of 4 squared minus 4 minus 30. And if I type that into my calculator, I get 4 cubed plus 6 lots of 4 squared minus 4 minus 30 is 126. And 126 then would be the remainder. Part B, show that x minus 2 is a factor. So you're going to show that x minus 2 is a factor of this. So let's try f of 2. So I get 2 cubed plus 6 lots of 2 squared minus 2 minus 30, which is 8, plus 6 fours are 24, minus 2 minus 30. And if you work that out, we get that f of 2 is 0. And if f of 2 is 0, that implies that x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, then I'm going to factorize this cubic. So I already know one factor. I know that x minus 2 is a factor. So let's see if we can work out the rest of them. Let's just set up my box. So I'm going to make sure that my x cubed is in the top left. My constant is in the bottom right. And then I have these two boxes, which I'll tidy up in my notes, will be my x squareds. And these two will be my x's. Okay, so I know that one of the factors is x minus 2. Okay, now I know that x, so this x multiplied by this value is going to be x cubed. So that makes that x squared. Then, following on, I got x squared times negative 2 will give me this value. So that's going to be negative 2 x squared. Okay, if I take a look at these two now, these are going to be my x squareds. Now from my original equation there, I need 6x squared, and at the moment I've got negative 2x squared. So that means I need another 8x squareds. And now I can make that move again. So x multiplied by this value is 8x squared. Well, that is plus 8x, which makes this down here negative 16x. Altogether, I've got negative 1x, so those two are my x's, so I need positive 15x's in there. And then if I factorize again, so I know that x multiplied by something is 15x, well, that's going to be plus 15. And as a double check, negative 2 times positive 15 does equal negative 30. So I now know that this x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 30 can be written as x minus 2 x squared plus 8x. That can factorize. Okay, so if I want to see if that one's going to factorize, I'm going to set up another box. This time, because it's a quadratic, it's only going to be a 2 by 2 box. And I know I'm going to have x squared by there and my plus 15 by here. And these two values are going to make up my 8x. Okay, so I multiply my coefficient of x squared, which is 1, by the constant 15. So I get 1 times 15 is 15. So we're looking for two numbers to multiply to give 15 and add to give 8. So I get 1 and 15. 2 doesn't go into it. So 3 and 5. They're both the same sign because they multiply to give a positive, and because they add to give an overall positive, it means they're both plus. So that's plus 3x and plus 8x. So let's get rid of this and do my factorising. X comes as factor in the top row, and x times x is x squared. X times plus 3 is plus 3x. And looking at this one, x times plus 8. Oh, sorry, it should be plus 5 I've written. So it should be, I said plus 5 and wrote plus 8, sorry. That should be plus 5, and that gives me plus 5 there. And then 5 times 3 does give me 15, so I know I'm right. So if I fully factorise, it's x minus 2, x plus 3, x plus 5.